Can prawns in Ecuador still be eaten? Who cares what to eat? We don't know if there is any problem with a certain choice of prawns. Anyway, this time I bought it from Yuhui. 3040 is not small. Salted frozen prawns are also convenient to handle. Not so thick as can't. If you are worried about shrimp, don't get too anxious. The most important thing is to soak it in water. Soak for a while. The problem is solved. It's very simple with prawns. Cut the shrimp whiskers. Cut off the shrimp gun. The thin legs of these shrimp are also cut off. Shrimp guns are tough. Be careful when handling. Don't prick your hand. Deal with below, that is, remove all the organs responsible for digestion from the shrimp head. What you call shrimp medicine, there is more left in the shrimp head. If you care very much, just remove the shrimp heads. But also lost a lot. Because the shrimp head is in the process of making a lot of shrimp oil. It tastes better. Cut 2 or 3 sections along the back. Take out the shrimp line. This shrimp line is relatively clean. After cleaning, soak in water for a while. Put it aside. Next, prepare some shredded scallion and ginger. It doesn't matter if there is more. The size is still quite uniform. Open fire. Heat the oil and moisten the pan. A little oil in a small hot pot. Hot pan, cold oil, non-stick pan. If you want to eat shrimp with the skin, you can have more oil. It doesn't matter if you peel the shell and eat it. Oil fever, garlic slices. The shrimp head is partially soaked in oil. Let the chicken powder after the oil temperature is 30%. Turn down the fire. If you have the conditions at home, you can directly turn it over like this. You can change the disc. Roll with a shovel. Press the shrimp head. Keep the shrimp oil. At this time, I'd shredded scallion and shredded ginger. Switch to medium fire. Add a little cooking wine. Have a spoonful of seafood sauce. Another dip of light soy sauce. Turn down the fire. Season with salt. The shrimp itself is also salty, so don't put too much salt. MSG. No pepper water. Then add some sugar. Fire. The last beer. After the soup is slightly viscous, you can put the shrimp out. Can't put it down on the first floor. Can swing to layers. What do you think? The remaining juice can be burned to make it more viscous. If you eat rice, that's it. Pour on the soup. This soup is perfect with rice. Some shredded scallion. Give an embellishment. Did you eat? You can drink and eat. No, I can't peel it off. Fine, eat first.